friends! If you're looking for a fun sea-themed craft idea, then you will love these DIY mermaid crafts. In today's video, we are making mermaid themed notebook, cute pencil topper, and mermaid pen holder. They are creative and easy to make. They make perfect decor for your room too. So, check out these fun and sparkly mermaid DIY school supplies. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can decorate your notebook cover to make them a little more stylish. So let's begin. Paint your notebook cover in blue color. We're making ocean kind of look with waves. Once you're done, let it dry completely. Draw a picture of a mermaid and color it. Our little mermaid is ready. I'm going to cut it out. So we're making seaweed. For that we'll need to cut out leaves and a stem. How about making a sparkly notebook cover? I'm sure any girl would love making one. Supplies we will need are a notebook, some glitter paper, a pencil, some glue, a duct tape. This one I really like it because, it looks like a mermaid. Scissors, and that's all. Start by drawing your mermaid image and cut it out. So we cut it out, make sure it's not bigger than your notebook size. So we are making hair for the mermaid. So for that I'm using black glitter paper. For covering her body and tail, we're using silver paper. I also cut out the hands for the mermaid. So this is how it looks like so far. I'm going to cover this body with some duct tape. You can also paint it. Now take your sheet of blue glitter paper and stick it on your notebook. Now glue your mermaid on your notebook and you're almost done. If you want, you could stick a star-shaped sticker. Be a mermaid and make waves. Hope you like this gorgeous notebook ideas. Our next video on DIY mermaid school supplies is coming soon, so stay tuned.